It's easy for the fabric of white shirts to become damaged if washed in the laundry often. And then, there are delicate items that don't do well in the laundry, such as baby's clothes. Have you ever tried hand washing these items to avoid this problem, only to find out how difficult it is? With Wave Force and 2 other washing motions that utilize only water turbulence, LG Twin Wash Mini offers delicate washing that is just like using your own hands. Whether it's white shirts, baby's clothes, or cotton underwear, everything from items that must be washed frequently to sensitive fabrics can be washed with less damage thanks to Mini Wash. Do your laundry gently with LG Twin Wash Mini and stop worrying about damage from frequent washing.